Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Hyundai i10 1 litre Go SE. This car's finished in polar white. It's got the daytime running lights. It's got the black mirror covers. Rear privacy glass. Got the Go logo on the door pillar. 14-inch grey alloy wheels. Front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the black cloth upholstery with blue patterns in the centre panels and blue stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. And this car is equipped with the Space Saver spare wheel. Moving on to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. Centre console you've got a 12-volt accessory plug-in point, twin cup holders. This car's done 34,688 miles. 5-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, heater controls with manual air conditioning. And then you've got the media system, touchscreen media system, so you've got full screen navigation into the home page. On the audio side you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. That's the home page. Controls on the steering wheel for the answering and rejecting phone calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Controls on the steering wheel also for the cruise control and speed limiter. Bluetooth connection so as you can play music from an external device. Moving back outside the car, identification plate that tells it's the Hyundai i10 Go. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.